Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Rama Ranjankar, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department from Praveen Patel College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bangalore. Today I am going to explain chapter number 2, part 1, named as Application of Operational Amplifier. Learning outcomes are op-amp configuration, differential amplifier configuration and unity gain amplifier. A differential amplifier is a type of electronic amplifier that amplifies the difference between the two input voltages but suppress any voltage common to the 2 points. It is an analog circuit with 2 inputs and 1 output in which the output is directly proportional to the difference between the 2 voltages. Let's see the inverting configuration of op-amp. In this, input and feedback is connected to the inverting terminal as shown in diagram. Non-inverting terminal is connected to ground. It's very important. Gain of inverting configuration of op-amp is calculated as minus Rf upon R1 and output voltage VO is equal to A into VID, that is minus A into VIN. So negative sign indicates the inverting amplifier. So here the waveform has also shown. So if the waveform is has started from the positive side, in case of inverting configuration, output waveform is reversed and has started from negative cycle. This is gain equation. So inverting amplifier using op-amp as shown in figure. Assuming that op-amp is ideal and applying the concept of virtual short at the input terminals of op-amp. So the voltage at the inverting terminal is equal to the non-inverting terminal. The voltage gain is calculated as minus Rf upon Ri and output voltage VO is equal to minus Rf upon Ri into Vin. This is a non-inverting configuration of op-amp in which input is connected to non-inverting terminal, feedback is connected to the inverting terminal. Gain of non-inverting amplifier is equal to 1 plus Rf upon R1 and in input output waveforms, if the input has started from the positive cycle, output is also started from positive cycle because it is a non-inverting configuration of op-amp. This is a gain equation. So rearranging the terms, we will get voltage gain AB is equal to VO upon VI, that is 1 plus Rf upon Ri. So output voltage VO is equal to 1 plus Rf upon Ri into Vin. This is a voltage follower, that is unity gain amplifier. A voltage follower is known as a unity gain amplifier, a voltage buffer or an isolation amplifier. In a voltage follower circuit, the output voltage is equal to the input voltage. Thus, it has a gain of unity and it does not amplify the incoming signal. The voltage follower does not need any external components. Non-inverting configuration of op-amp it is, and the feedback is connected to the inverting terminal. So the output voltage equation is equal to VO is equal to A into VID. It is a non-inverting amplifier, so the gain can be written as 1 plus Rf upon Ri into VID. But here we don't take any differential input voltage. So simply जो input voltage आपने apply किया है, so you take the value for the VID equals to V. So VO is equal to 1 into V. That's why output voltage VO equals to V in. Okay. So here the R1 and Rf are present. So the gain should be 1 and therefore it's called as a unity gain amplifier. Thank you.